Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to check most visited pages by visitor in WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to check most visited pages by visitor in our WordPress website, and then in search plugin write WP statistic. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So I already installed this plugin and activated. On left side you see statistic and then you see overview, so click on it and then scroll down. Now you see multiple option and then you see most visited pages, page name, now you see, and then you see visitor 2306, you see all detail here, most visited pages, and then you see view content. Now you see all detail, click on it and then scroll down. We are in page insight. Now you see content, visitor, view, words, publish date. Also if you want you can check more detail for this home page and you see all detail here. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.